Have you ever wondered how much money Idaho state agencies spend on pizza? Let's find out by going to Transparent Idaho. Getting access to state and vendor data is super easy. By clicking on the search bar, we can instantly search for specific employees like the Secretary of State, or look at entire agencies like the Department of Corrections. You can also search for vendor payments. Now let's see which department spent the most on pizza. Just by typing pizza into the dynamic search bar, you can see several vendors with pizza in the title populate. If you hit enter, you'll see all the transactions related to pizza for state agencies. You can check out more interesting vendor payments like this by visiting transparent.idaho.gov. Thanks for tuning in to our transparency tutorial. If you'd like to learn about Transparent Idaho, please visit our site at transparent.idaho.gov. And don't forget to follow us on social media and YouTube for more information on government transparency.